What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So guess what? Finally, after probably around 10 months, I have not washed the Lexus. And usually when I was back in Virginia, I would get it washed probably like every 2 to 3 weeks, around that time frame interval. But I haven't washed this car since I moved to Ohio. I haven't washed it. I didn't even wash it last summer for real. So today we're getting Vortex Details to come over and wash the car. The link to their information will be in the description below. And once he gets here, I'll basically introduce you guys all of that in the third. And I'll show. Let me even show you guys what the car looks like. Alright, so this is what the car looks like right now. The wheels are like the most dirtiest thing out of everything on the car. Like, if you see like the wheelbarrow and stuff, it's just so grimy, so dirty. That's like the worst thing out of the car. And you can see like the chips, the rust chips and stuff from the lug nuts. Hopefully he can get it clean though. He does a good job with the brake buster. Then the rears, I got these pads and rotors from I forgot the name of the place, but they throw so much dust that you think that it's the front when it's really not the front, and meanwhile the front is just to throw more dust. Then I want to get all this stuff out. I'm not sure if I even want to deal with all of that, to be honest, because obviously detailing costs a lot. The interior is not bad. It needs to be vacuumed, but other than that, it's pretty much okay. Nothing crazy going on in here. It needs to be vacuumed. Seats need to be like I guess not repolished, but dusted down, wiped down, all of that. Let me show you guys the other side. But the car is pretty dirty, like pretty dirty. The wheels again on this side, dusty as hell. The fronts, yeah, I don't even drive it that much, to be honest, anymore. It's just usually sitting in the driveway, and then like I'll daily it sometimes because I don't feel like driving the M4, and I don't feel like driving the M4 all the time because I want to like let the M4 take a break from all the beating I do during the weekend, like doing car stuff and all of that. All right, so I forgot that I had his cards over here. That way he doesn't need to be on camera, but if I can get it to focus, that's his information. Tyler Walls, mobile automotive detailer, servicing Central Ohio. If you're in Cleveland and Dayton and Cincy, I'm sure he'll make the drive, but that's his phone number right there, email, and his Instagram is also Vortex Detail. So check them out. Well, check him out and hit him up. All right, we got Vortex Detail here. So tell us what you're gonna do to, like, I guess, kill the nonsense that's on the wheels and on the car.
All right, starting off with the wheels, I'm using Geon iron to remove that hard-on like brake dust and iron deposits on the wheel.
Okay.
So if you actually look at the wheel, it's turning purple right now.
Y'all can see that.
So we just sprayed that on there. It's already turning purple.
So this is like a decontamination, right?
Correct.
Okay.
And then, I mean, since this hasn't been washed in a while, I'm gonna start with Geon iron.
Right.
And then next, just to finish it off, I'm probably gonna do this is PNS brake buster.
Okay.
And you're diluted in a foamer, so then we'll see that.
Okay.
In the wheel.
Yeah, these wheels are, like I showed you guys before, they're horrible. But the rears are the worst since I have those new rotors and brake pads back there. Go ahead.
All right, so first off, we're gonna start off with an easy detail brush to get in the barrel of the wheel, and then after that, we just have it's a lambskin wheel mitt for the face and inner spokes of the wheel. And then also I just have a little detail brush, horsehair brush for the lug nuts and other areas.
Okay.
And then this is just a tire brush.
All right, cool. If for some reason my lug started rusting out and like peeling the chrome, I don't really care about that because I can get those replaced. But either way. And this is the perfect tool for this. I've seen some that are motorized that I've wanted to like buy instead of like having to stick my hand in there, hit my knuckle on the wheel. I can already see the difference in the wheels. Yeah, that is a big difference, a real big difference. I really thought you was gonna have a hard time with this, but you had the best, easiest time with this. All right, so you guys see how dirty these are. Like, look at all of that, all the grime in there, and the wheelbarrow, and then in the crevices and stuff. Now he's about to show you guys. Look at how purple these things are. Gosh, that's how you know it's doing the work. And get in the wheelbarrows. So you guys seen how it was before, and then we're gonna see like a comparison of what it looks like after. You guys see all the suds and dirt, all of that just going. It's gonna be a big difference. All right, so we looked at these, and obviously you seen how they were caked up and stuff, so he's gonna attempt to do this one again. But it's cleaner than what it was, well, the face anyways, yeah. And the barrel, to be honest. All right, so this was his second attempt, which is cleaner, obviously. Definitely a shinier face. So whoever buys these, buys the car, will probably be happy because they're gonna look clean, but I've curved them so much, they probably wouldn't even notice. So he's trying to see if he can get this out, which I doubt, but I'm gonna see. Yeah, it's like sticky. It's been there for like it's been there since I moved here, since October. You can already see it working right there. It's turning purple. All right, so now he's like prepping it to wash. Gonna wet it down first, and then after this, I believe he's gonna use the foam cannon. There we go, we got the foam cannon going on. How do you guys feel about the foam cannons anyways? So as you guys can see, he was able to get out the those little tar marks that were on the car, which is dope. Guys trying to revive this thing. So what is that, a clay bar?
Yeah.
So what do clay bars do, really?
So basically like picks up contaminants on the paint.
Right. So the car looks 10 times better than what it did before. Honestly clean. And you can see he got out the little marks and stuff, the tar marks, which is great. Now it feels like I'm back to what I used to do, getting this thing cleaned. So I'm sitting here thinking, like, all those times I have taken my cars to the car wash with the little, not the little, but the big turn thingies. Do not go there. They destroy your paint and it scratches up your cars. Like, there was a time I went to the car wash with the Lexus, and the little spinning, I think it was Autoville, and the thing ripped off the cap for my headlight washer, and I had to replace that. So definitely do not take your car to those anymore. If you can, hand wash them. If you're a kind of person that you care about, I guess, scratches and stuff like that, scuffs and stuff about on your car, definitely get it hand washed or wash it yourself with the proper products. But if you don't really care, then I guess you can still take it to like those auto bail kind of places, or the car washes that have the turny thingies. Mobile detailing it is pretty expensive. I'm not gonna lie to you. Some range from like $60 to $100, and some go from like $150 to $250 per car, and it depends on what kind of car you have. So like a truck is like $250, and then there's still packages, like different packages, basic, supreme, extreme, whatever, all the kind of packages that they have. Alright, so here's the finished product of the car. Looks super clean, looks super better than what it was. So shout out to Vortex Detail for helping me out with this. But you guys know what to do: subscribe, like, share, comment, and you guys continue to watch my vlogs and keep me doing my thing.